You're with India today, and we're building up to the mother of all battles. That's India versus Pakistan. Just about 20 odd minutes to go before the coin goes up in the air, and we get to know who's going to be batting, whether it's going to be India or Pakistan. Stay with India today, and we'll bring you all the latest updates. But for the moment, we've spoken about all the superstars that are going to be taking the field, both from the Indian side as well as the Pakistani side. But now we're going to talk about a man who's going to be sitting outside the boundary and yet could play a very, very crucial role, not just in this particular match, but throughout the tournament. His name is MS Dhoni, one of the most successful captains that India has had. And will he help Virat Kohli win another ICC trophy? That's the question that we asked a lot of former players.
सुरेश, चूंकि आप अभी MS धोनी के साथ बहुत थे और माही मेंटोर भी हैं, वो कहते हैं ना मिडास टच अब उनके पास है, जिस तरह IPL में हुआ, एक तरह से मेंटोर की शायद जिम्मेदारी ज़्यादा है. आप ये भी कह सकते पावर शायद इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं होगी, लेकिन व्हाट डज ही ब्रिंग टू द टेबल? क्योंकि आपकी ज़रूर बात हुई होगी इंडिया के लिहाज से, इंडिया के पास क्या है, इंडिया की ताकत क्या है, इंडिया इस वर्ल्ड कप में क्या कर सकता है और किसके ज़रिए कर सकता है.
आई थिंक उनके आने से डेफिनेटली विराट का जो वर्कलोड है वो काफ़ी कम होगा, और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो फोकस ज़्यादा अपना बैटिंग पे करेंगे. वो एज ए कैप्टन आसान नहीं होता किसी के भी लिए जब आपको सारा कुछ मैनेज करना होता है. और लास्ट 2 साल आई थिंक इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर एवरीवन. पैंडेमिक था, प्लेयर्स बबल टू बबल जा रहे हैं, तो आई थिंक 6 महीने से इंडियन टीम दे बिन ट्रैवलिंग लाइक एनीथिंग. सो आई थिंक उनके आने से मुझे लगता है कि उनको ICC ट्रॉफी जीतने का काफ़ी अनुभव है, और उसके बाद IPL में इतना काफ़ी जीते हैं, चैंपियंस लीग जीते हैं. बट आई थिंक वो रहेंगे तो प्लेयर को लगा है कि उनके साथ वो भी रिसेंटली खेल के आए हैं. वो
मुझे लगता है कि जैसे सुरेशी ने कहा कि जब माही है वहाँ पे एक कॉन्फिडेंस भी होती है और एक कामिंग इफेक्ट भी होती है, क्योंकि द मैन इज सीन इट ऑल एंड ही इज कम थ्रू इट ऑल and he's come out shining in all of it. So I think that Virat will, like Sureshi said, will take a little load off himself. He'll allow the mentoring, the supporting to be done by Mahi. I'm sure that's what Mahi will also do. I think he understands the requirement of the role. I think you'll see Mahi being a little proactive. He's anyway always available, but I think this time वो खुद जाके बात करेंगे सबसे, which I think will be awesome for players. क्योंकि जब माही सामने जाके बात करता है प्लेयर के साथ, तो वो अलग ही लेवल का कॉन्फिडेंस मिल जाता है प्लेयर को. क्योंकि जब वो बात करते हैं इतना अश्योरेंस देते हैं प्लेयर को और इतना सिंपल रखते हैं चीज़ को, तो कोई भी बंदा सिंपल ही रह जाता है.
डेफिनेटली आई थिंक फायर एंड आइस जैसा है. वन इज़ वेरी obviously on the other side, the other one is on the other side, but that's the beauty of life. I think अगर इंडियन क्रिकेट आज इस स्टेज पे है तो उसके कारण ये दोनों बहुत बड़ा रोल खेला है. One, he's taken and shown what India is capable of. MS Dhoni, he's taken it to a different heights. He's a very different personality. And then there is Virat Kohli, jo he's shown the youngsters in India what it takes to fight every day of your life to be the best at what you can do.
Just love the way Dinesh Karthik describes both MS Dhoni and Virat Kohli as fire and ice. Okay, let me get Sunny Bhai onto this discussion. Sunny Bhai, MS Dhoni, we all know how and what record he holds as a captain, how well he's done for any team that he's captain. But what do you think is going to be his contribution with the national team now as a mentor?
Correct. I think what MST will be looking to do is, apart from bringing the calmness that he brings to any kind of situation, any tense situation, what you'll be looking to see from MS Dhoni is that there'll be something unexpected, and which is the reason why I brought up the topic of having a Ravindra Jadeja at the top of the order. Because for all you know, MST might be able to convince the team management that with the kind of striking ability that Ravindra Jadeja has shown in the IPL, where he was hitting sixes, just with a flick of the wrist, he could well be the man to go up the order. So yes, expect the unexpected. Also expect that with despite there being huge crowd, expect that you will have MST perhaps walking around the ground, looking to try and convey some message to the fielder on the boundary. So that message is then conveyed to the captain on the field. So don't be surprised if MST also does that.
All right, all our experts, stay on with us. That is Sunil Gavaskar, Wasim Akram and Harbhajan Singh. But you've heard from the experts. Now let's hear it from the fans as well. They're eagerly waiting for this big clash. Let's go across to our two reporters who are joining us now. We've got Prema Rajaraman joining us from Kolkata, and we've also got Pramod Madhav joining us from Chennai. Two, I know, absolutely cricket-mad cities. Prema, I'll come to you first. How is the things there? What's the atmosphere like? How's Calcutta preparing for this game?
Well, Calcutta is excited because it's an India-Pakistan match after such a long time, and everybody is excited to watch this match with their family members and their friends. We can see over here, all these little children are here with the Indian flag. There is the drums that are beating over here after Durga Puja, time to celebrate again. And of course, there are posters of their favorite cricketers. I'm going to be asking them what they have to say, who's their favorite cricketer and who they think is going to win. आपको क्या लगता है कौन जीतेगा और इंडिया कैसे खेलेगी?
ये तो फाइनल है कि इंडिया ही जीतेगा और मेरे को तो जहाँ तक लगता है कि इंडिया अपना फुल बेस्ट देगा और जीत के ही आएगा।
और आपको क्या लगता है आपके फेवरेट प्लेयर कौन है? आपके फेवरेट प्लेयर कौन?
मेरे सबसे अच्छा प्लेयर विराट कोहली है, उसकी बल्लेबाजी बहुत अच्छी है, उसीलिए इंडिया 100% जीतेगी और दुबई के माटी पे खेला होगा।
And I'm going to ask these little children here as well. कौन जीतेगा और आपके फेवरेट प्लेयर कौन है?
मेरा फेवरेट प्लेयर जसप्रीत बुमराह है, जीतेगा इंडिया ही जीतेगा। मेरा फेवरेट प्लेयर MS धोनी है, वो तो जीतेगा ही जीतेगा इंडिया के साथ। इंडिया जीतेगा ही जीतेगा। मेरा फेवरेट है विराट कोहली और वो जीतेगा। इंडिया is best. India is the best.
So they've got their favorites sorted and they know that their players are going to do their best. The Indian team is going to go out and do their best against Pakistan. Back to you, Nikhil.
Okay, Prema, thanks so much for that. Excited kids, lovely to see them wearing that India jersey, getting up for that big encounter. Let's go across to Pramod. Pramod, I know you're in Chennai. They are the current IPL champions. Are the folks there still hungover with that IPL defeat, or have they forgotten that and completely geared up for this encounter?
Oh, when it comes to cricket, it is never enough for us. And just like you mentioned, yes, we just won the IPL. And not just that, Dhoni has also another important assignment here. And that is after winning this cup, he has to come to Chennai and he has to hand over the earlier trophy to the Chief Minister. So all that is planned. Here we have all the fans who are assembled over here, all carrying the national flag. And they are eagerly waiting for it. As you already know, Chennai is something you cannot separate from cricket. And that's the reason it's a very important match. India versus Pakistan. Sir, tell me, how important is this match to you?
It's very, very important. Entire Lumbini Square, this is in the heart of the city, Chennai. We have 450 flats here. All the residents are very excited and we are looking forward to win and take the
that is true. You tell us, sir. So what you're expecting from this match?
We are expecting a lot that my country and my countrymen all will be supporting to my country, India, and especially my good friend Mr. Virat Kohli to bring back the cup in
That's the important aspect over here. This is actually a war, and that's the reason everybody are here filled with enthusiasm, awaiting to watch the match.
All right, thanks so much for that, Pramod, and it's lovely to hear those voices, very vociferous, and that's good to see, because one thought that they would probably run out of their voices after cheering for their IPL winning team, that was Chennai Super Kings, but lovely to see them all get up and excited looking ahead to this encounter. Since we're talking about Chennai, Rahul, let me bring in MS Dhoni. We were talking about him, the adopted son of Chennai, I'd like to call him, because he'd probably be more popular than any television star, I'm guessing, at the moment. What is it that, he brings to the team? One thing that we've noticed, and for someone like you who's been following cricket as well, that in the past few years, whether it was team selection, whether there was consistency with the team that you're playing with, you think those little minor things he'd be able to fix?
Well, that's right. In fact, a lot of cricketers actually say this. Even Sunny Bhai also just mentioned that he brings some sort of calmness in the dressing room. Of course, he will be in the dressing room, but decisions will have to be made at the ground. Sunny Bhai just said that he'll have to walk around the ground. Don't be surprised if he walks around the ground. Just ask one of the fielders at the boundary line. But he would have Virat Kohli right at the boundary, because Virat usually these days you find him either at long off or long on. But I think his role would be as a mentor, because the decisions Virat will have to take at the ground, and eventually it will have to be, of course, credit will go to MS Dhoni. See, I am pretty certain if India does well in this tournament, if India does well in this particular match, if India does win this T20 World Cup, a lot of credit will go to MS Dhoni. And if India doesn't, Virat, unfortunately, will have to take the flak.
A very interesting point there, that eventually it's MS Dhoni who can just suggest to the captain what to do. Eventually it's the captain's decision which team he wants to play, what are the tactics that he wants to go with. But remember, we've seen MS Dhoni chip in with other little details. The other day we saw visuals of him training Rishabh Pant in wicket keeping. Sometimes these little tips make a huge difference. But stay on with us. We'll have to take another short break on our special program, because on the other side we'll have all the toss updates, the team updates. You don't want to go anywhere.